Want to know how to download Cursor AI on your Windows? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to head towards cursor.com on your web browser. So you can just simply type in Cursor AI, open up your favorite web browser and type in Cursor AI or cursor.com. So once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now in order to download for your Windows, you should be seeing two options. Either you can download for Windows or Mac OS. It should automatically detect your operating system. So you can just simply select download for Windows right here. And it should start downloading just like this right here, as you can see. And now you can just simply install it. And it should be ready to go and ready to use for your codings. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.